Do you accept Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Huh?
Coin?
Bitcoin.
Oh, no.
Okay, no, she says no. Sorry.
Oh, she said no.
This video is sponsored by Foundation Devices. You can become a sovereign individual with the Passport hardware wallet and Envoy mobile app. Use the code RUNWITHBITCOIN to learn more about Passport and Envoy.
Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Will you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin?
Do you take Bitcoin?
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Yo, what's up? This is day 205. This is Uganda. We are in the bus with Elsie and my host for you guys. So we're gonna go explore the town and then I say how the day goes planned. Alright, so we are in the Kampala road. What's up? How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm fine. What are we gonna do today?
A lot of things. We're gonna see a lot of places. Yeah, we're gonna check out a lot of places. Just come with us and check them out.
The city, going to the mosque, going to the African market.
Nice.
All that.
See, that's a good content.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Paco.
Paco.
Yeah. Do you accept Bitcoin?
No,
No Bitcoin?
I don't know about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
As we deal with
How much?
Fine, how are you?
Do you accept Bitcoin?
Bitcoin?
Yes.
No, we don't know that system.
If I teach you, I will buy something.
You teach me?
Yeah, I will give you some Bitcoin on your phone and then I'll buy something.
Alright,
Yeah?
teach me.
Yes, download a Blue Wallet app. But I want you to save this Bitcoin and not spend it. Yeah?
You teach me.
Yes, I will teach you. I have just set up a wallet of Satoshi right now because the Blue Wallet isn't working. Anyways, just add custom amount.
Magic.
Okay, boom. See?
So that shows you my details?
Yeah, it shows almost like 30,000. It's almost 11. Okay, pay. And done.
What about
Paid.
that one?
You
19,851.
You received?
Received
Okay, so one Bitcoin is 100 million sats. That's it, you have that much amount.
29,102.
Yeah. If you refresh it, it will keep going up and down. Don't worry about that. Wow, this happened, man. She got a wallet of Satoshi and some Bitcoin. This is crazy. Okay, what's the next side? That side? This side? This side? Do you accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? No, she's like, that's my job. Will you accept Bitcoin?
Bitcoin,
Yeah.
but
You teach me how to.
Yeah, we'll buy one of this, but I'll pay in Bitcoin. It's a mobile thing. I'll buy one. No,
Then how will I withdraw?
you don't withdraw. You can only save Bitcoin or you can buy airtime.
But brother.
You have to first open up one.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. No, they don't want. Wow. Do you need to get one poster made for you like this? Wow. No, okay. I'll pay you on this on Bitcoin.
I do not use it yet. I'm still learning.
But I'll pay for it. I'll pay. I can transfer on it.
You know how to?
I'll transfer. It's just a QR code.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. This is so cool. This is my host on Bitcoin. She's flashed his wallet. Awesome. So I'm sending it to you. Alright, I'm sending you. And send.
Okay.
It will take 10 minutes to reflect on your phone.
Okay.
And how can you verify this is by the transaction ID.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yeah, you know.
So all good? Congrats. There's a book called The Bitcoin Standard. Read about it and hold that Bitcoin, man. I really wish you all the best. Thank you, man. Stickers and love you. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Thank you. Wow, so this is shop number 23 and that accepts Bitcoin. I wish it was shop number 21 because it's 21 million Bitcoins. Bye, brother. Bye. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks.
A spot. Oh, shit. Do you accept Bitcoin?
Bitcoin?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Hi, how are you?
I'm beautiful. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. You accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin? How? Yeah, of course. I love it. Bitcoin.
Oh, I know about it.
Like if I buy something, I'll pay you in Bitcoin.
Not really, but we're introducing it maybe from next month or so.
Next month?
Do you take Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is internet money. Okay. Hello. Do you accept Bitcoin?
Sorry?
Do you take Bitcoin?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Do you accept Bitcoin?
Yo.
Huh?
Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
Oh, no.
Okay, no, she says no. That's right.
Oh, she said no.
Yeah, she can do the whole movie. She just loves the camera, man.
Yeah, the camera loves it.
Yeah. What is that book?
There's no place like home.
We'll take a selfie.
This is the monument of King Mutesa II, who was the first president of Uganda after we first got our independence from the British people.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
this is his statue.
Is it sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, he was away, yeah?
The oldest fucking post office. There's nothing to do here. That's about it. This is a walking tour, but the best thing here is now this poster. Look to your left.
Oh, okay.
The central commercial zone.
Yeah, right here
Okay.
from that side, and 40 kilometers in the south.
Nice. Wow.
5 domes, symbolic.
So this is amazing. You can look at the entire Kampala from here. It's a must visit. Climb up the mosque to check this out. Something really awesome is the name Kampala came from impalas, because impalas were hanging around the mosque area. And Buganda was the ruling tribe. In fact, it's their territory, and that's how the name Uganda came from. Buganda. No, Uganda came from Buganda. Yeah? Awesome. Thank you. So this is the beautiful Gaddafi Mosque, and it's going to take 1 year for the renovation to get done. But the view is really beautiful. And Mohammed, right? Yeah. Mohammed will be there climbing you all the way up. So Mohammed, how many years have you been climbing these steps?
About over 8 years.
And every day, how many times you go?
I could go 4 or 3 times depending on how clients come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, so I did some calculation for him. That is almost 6 million steps he has climbed.
Imagine.
And that's
That
why
makes 6 million years.
this is insane, right? And that's why he's that good. All right, shukran brother, and Eid Mubarak to you.
Welcome.